We'll guide you through how to activate roaming on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to go and use your mobile or cellular data abroad, you need to go and have roaming enabled. So we're going to guide you through this. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. It's important that you should go and check that roaming is included in your data plan. Otherwise, you may go and get billed extra and you get an unexpected bill. So do check that with your provider. Then what you can do is go and find your settings. It should be on the first page, but you can always go and drag down and search for settings. Next, you want to go down and find mobile service. On your device, it may go and be called cellular. Go and tap on it. Then what you want to do is go down the page and you want to go and find data options. Tap there. And at the top, you're going to go and find data roaming. And what you need to do is go and enable that like so. That should be it. It should now go and be working. Leave a like if you found this useful. I look forward to helping you again.